Want to know how to download your digital Etsy purchase and upload it to Goodnotes? Well, in this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to download your bullet dotted journal purchase and seamlessly upload it to the Goodnotes app on your tablet. Start by logging into Etsy on a browser, not the app. Go into your account and into your purchases, and you'll be able to see all of your download purchases there. From there, you can click on Download Now and click on Download, and you'll see it open on the bottom. Click on Download, and then once it's done, it'll say Open In, and you can open it in your downloads. And your download file will open. You click on the PDF and scroll down to the bottom of the PDF. You can either click on the photo or the button that says click here for your download. When it opens up in a new tab, just go to the top and click on the little download button. Now here it may take a few minutes to actually download. It is a large file, so please be patient. It will eventually download.
Many months later.
When it's finally done, the download button will open and you can choose where to save the download. If you scroll down, it should say open in Goodnotes, but if it's not there, then you can go up to where all the pictures of your apps are, scroll all the way over, see if Goodnotes is there. If not, click on the More button, which is the 3 dots, and scroll down and you can find Goodnotes from there. You want to open it in Goodnotes, then you want to import it as a new document. Then it opens up. And from here, you scroll left and right, be able to see all the pages. When you want to write on the page, you can pinch to zoom in. You can see all the different tools on the top toolbar. You can choose the pen tool. On the right, there's all the different colors you can choose. And if you don't see the color you like, click on the little More button. You can choose a color or even a custom color. Then choose the weight of the pen you want to use. Then just draw away. If you don't like what you've done, you can choose the eraser tool. It shows different sizes of the eraser. When you're ready, you can go back to the pen and redo what you wanted to do. And you can color in the pictures. Just pick the different color you want. If you can use the pen tool, and then you can be a horrible color like me. So you don't like it, then you can erase it. The next page in this file is the mood tracker, or year in pixels. So you can zoom in and choose a color that you want. Again, if you don't like the colors, you can choose a custom color by clicking on the button at the bottom. There's lots of different colors. You can enter the hex code. Let's just go back. I'm just going to pick red. And don't forget to change the weight if you need to. Let's just go bigger, so fill it in more. And I hope you can color better than I can color, because I'm not very good at it. And let's make this mood happy. And on January 1st, I was happy. So I'm going to fill this in that red color. So you can see how this works. You can choose a bunch of different moods, fill them in yourself, and fill them in throughout the whole year. Next page is your goals for the year. You can use the pen tool. Choose the color that you want and the weight of your pen, of course, and fill out what your goals are for the year. I want to go Disney World. Then when you've actually done it, you can check it off. The next page is a memories page. There's 2 different pages, so you can write in a memory, you can color something in, or you can even upload a photo from your camera roll. And you can resize a photo and put it in the Polaroid photo frame that's there. My daughter's gonna kill me. This is a photo of her being goofy when she was playing with my iPad. So she'll probably kill me for using this video, but shh, don't tell her, okay? You could use a pen tool like in the previous pages and write in something on the bottom of the Polaroid frame. The next page in this file is a savings tracker, and this is how I would use it. But remember, this is your journal, so you can use it however you want. You don't have to do what I'm showing you here. You can use it however you want. So I'm just going to color in the bottom of my jar. I'm going to use green for money, but you can choose whatever color you want. And please color better than me, or not. I suck at coloring, so you can see that. And on the one side, you can write how much you've saved, and the other side, we can put in the date that we saved that money. And you can keep going from there. You can choose different colors for every time you save money, or you can use the same color for the whole jar. Again, this is your journal. You can do whatever you want to do with it. The next page is a self-care page. You can fill in each one of those squares with whatever you choose. This is your journal. There's names and numbers, and some special dates throughout the year. There's your wish list and a gift list. Every time you think of a gift for somebody, you can write it in there so you know. Then there's 2 pages for a book tracker. And on each spine, you can write the name of the book that you've read, or books that you want to read. You can just color them in. This is your choice. The next page is a movie tracker, if that's what you wish to use it for. And then the page after that, we've got a Netflix or a TV tracker. You can put in the name of the series. Then you can write the seasons and how many episodes are in each season. And here you can use the highlighter tool and just highlight the episodes that you've actually watched. Next page is the calendar. We're starting in January here, and in 2024, January 1st is the Monday. So you can fill in the numbers for each of the days, however you want to fill them out. You can write in the calendar, different events. You can use it as your work schedule, your school schedule, however you want to use a calendar for. The page after that is a weekly tracker. Here you can write in the week that you are in. So here we'll need to make a few more copies, one for each week of that month. So in the top right, you click on the 3 dots for more. You can click on copy page. Then you can click on the button that says add page. And you'll see the page that you just copied. Then you just click on paste page. And you have a new page. So you just keep doing that for the number of weeks that you have in that month. So moving on, we have our mood tracker. And here you can put your different moods down at the bottom. Choose a color, just like the mood tracker at the beginning, and then fill in the day with that mood. Next page is your gratitude log. Every day you can fill out something you're grateful for that day. The next page is a sleep log. I'll show you how I would use it. You use the highlighter tool. You can choose a color, and then you want to highlight the hours that you've slept. So let's say I slept from midnight until 8 a.m. on January 1st. So that's how I would fill in my sleep log. Next page is your dream log. So if you remember a dream, you can write it down. If not, you can say you don't remember the dream. On the habit tracker page, you have a place for 9 different habits. So you can fill out all your different habits in the little square above the calendars. In the calendars, you can write the days of the week, you can write the numbers in, it's totally up to you. And then if you did the habit that day, you just fill out the square, whatever color you want. You can use the highlighter tool, the pen tool, whatever. Again, it's your journal, right? Like I keep saying, do whatever you want with it. Next page is a spending tracker where you can write down the date, what you bought, what store, if it was a want or a need, so you can keep track of your spending. Next is a water tracker. You can use the pen or the highlighter, whatever you want. Pick a color, and you can track how much water you drank that day. I'm going to say I drank 10 liters. No, just kidding. I'm going to say I drank 10 glasses on the first, and then on the second, I drank 8. You get the picture. Then there's a workout log where you can write the activity you did on that day. And the time that you did it at. Or the length of time that you did it at. Then the next month starts. So you can just continue from there, or if you want to add in your own pages, just click on the button up here and you can see all of the pages that are there. At the very end, there is a blank dotted page. If you click on that page, click up here on the 3 dots. I'm going to copy the page. Let's go to the grid. We'll figure out where we want to put that page. We'll do it right before the February. Where is it? Right before the February page. So we'll put it there and we'll just paste the page. Now we have our own blank dotted page and we can do whatever we want on that page. If you want to make your own trackers, go ahead. So you can add that dotted page into wherever you want. And then there you have it. Your very own dotted journal on your Goodnotes app. Have fun and be as creative as you can. Thanks for watching. Cheers.